5 Best Coffee Makers. Number 5. Keurig K55. The most popular K-Cup pod brew sizes. Brews multiple K-Cup pod sizes. This process helps to remove calcium deposits. Were introduced on the brewer gift boxes. The water reservoir is removable. Item weight, 12 pounds. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 4. Black & Decker DCM 600B. Duralife Glass Carafe. Removable filter basket. Just one simple button to start. Keep hot carafe plate. Item weight, 2.45 pounds. Removable filter basket makes for simple cleanup. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 3. Mr. Coffee SJX33 GT. Compatible with Mr. Coffee Thermal Carafe. Lift and clean filter basket. Delay brew timer lets you brew ahead of time. Freshness timer keeps track of coffee freshness. Impurities from the water during the brew cycle. It features plenty of programmable options. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 2. Cuisinart DCC 3200. Fully automatic with 24-hour programmability. Adjustable keep warm temperature control. Gold tone, commercial style permanent filter. An indicator light signals when it's time to decalcify. Shipping package material may vary. Item weight, 8.75 pounds. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 1. Mr. Coffee TF4. Dual water window allows visibility as you fill. Removable filter basket for quick and easy cleanup. Stain-resistant warming plate is easy to clean. Expertly brewed coffee without stress or miss. It stops brewing so you can pour freely. Should you need a cup before the brew cycle is finished? Please check the description for detail and price.